They spent $2,100 there.
Welcome back to Hustle and Hearts. Today we just went to Showcase at the mall and we got this I don't know,
Peelerz.
and I saw these on YouTube, so let's open. That was a fail. There. Straight up, I just smelled the smell. Me too. This is what they look like. Hopefully they're peelable. Wait. Let's see it. Me too. Let me get one. Wait. And the outside is edible, but it's just funner like this. See? You wanna try?
Don't put it on the...
I got another one out there. The one I'm
It's good.
I'm gonna eat and it says that. Oh, wait, what? Where is it? Oh, it's right there. It said it was made with real fruit juice, which, yeah, it tastes so good.
You're supposed to eat that part. Give me that. You can eat that. Why are you doing it like that, baby? Can you help her peel it?
And the way my mom's phone and my phone is going to be dead. But I have an iPad, it's not dead.
That's
I like the outside more.
Yeah, the outside is good. I haven't tasted the inside, but...
That one, Mama. But you could just eat it like this, but it's more funner when you open it. Yeah, see how happy she is. And she wanted to get the peach one. But Mommy said no. Yeah, because we all wanted the mango one. So I said yes. It's getting under my nails. Want to taste it inside, Mama? Hang on, Mom. Mama, I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get the other one, and you're gonna get the bigger one. It's really good, but the thing is we're almost done it. Does it taste good?
When you eat it together?
Yeah. I took it apart. But yeah, these are really good. Showcase, we went there. It was just $10. And we found the boo-boos. But the real kind, it's $175 or $130, and then the whole entire box, and you don't get duplicates. It's $100, which is weird because and they said yesterday someone bought 19 of them. And it cost them
They spent $2,100 there.
Pardon?
They spent $2,100.
And we're like, we were shocked because we were like, how much do they have money in their bank account?
A lot.
Yeah.
Aurora saying that they're probably YouTubers.
Yeah.
But okay, well, that's the end of the video.
Yeah. Sienna, stop. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Real love. Real love.
Real hustle,
Real hustle.
real life.
Real life. Bye, guys. Mwah.